We are pleased to show you the 2018 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, rain sensing wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select Certified Limited Warranty. Land Rover Certified Select Vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.